Well, the pandemic has changed so many things of what we do, including the way that we're working out. Fitness facilities, big and small, had to close their doors for the better part of the pandemic. That, of course, forced one gym owner to exercise a little creativity.
Yeah, today in the Vase, Kris Sanchez joining us from San Jose with how leaning on her neighbors really helped this one gym owner grow stronger. Kris.
So this is Barre Studio in San Jose, and they were open for indoor workouts just 2 times between last March and this March. Now, even as restrictions ease up and they're able to invite more people inside for workouts, what's really keeping this business strong is pushing through that discomfort.
Good morning, everyone. I saw more people block on here.
Barre offers classes meant to be effective and efficient, a mirror of how the founder has run her family-owned one-location boutique studio with a pricey lease since the pandemic shut her doors.
The first thing that we did when we went into shelter in place March 17th, a year ago, is we immediately created an on-demand video library, and we started doing all of our classes virtually. Then we needed to have an outdoor space. Luna Mexican Kitchen allowed us to do our outdoor classes under their tent, which was this beautiful atmosphere. And that was when the county went into a more restrictive tier and there was no more outdoor dining.
According to 3 industry sources, the pandemic is having a tremendous impact on gyms, with 25% of owners saying that they expected to close in 2020, and 59% of Americans saying they won't renew their memberships post-COVID, some of whom contributed to a 130% increase in at-home fitness equipment sales. But just as community kept Barre afloat, ALBERINO now believes community will keep clients coming back now that the studio can meet them where they are, at home, on the road, or outside.
Barre Studios is forever transformed, absolutely.
A lot of folks turn to exercise to keep their heads clear, even walking around our neighborhoods. And tomorrow we're going to introduce you to an artist that helped a lot of businesses reach their customers with uplifting messages of positivity, even when they couldn't invite those customers inside. In San Jose, Kris Sanchez, Today in the Bay.